What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. Tommy got a new shop and I'm going to show you around because you guys are going to be seeing a lot of this place for the WRX, for the S209, for the C8, and for much more. So without further ado, let's go check it out. The 2022 WRX was the first car on the lift in Tommy's new shop. And if you guys know who Tommy is, he's Tommy Kettner on YouTube, and this is TK Auto Works. So we got two lifts here right now. We got plenty of storage over here. Little office back there. I will show you up front as well, because up front is probably my favorite part, arguably, other than these nice floors. But Tommy's shop does anything from Subarus to Nissans to Evos to other Subarus, and honestly, you guys are gonna be surprised at what we bring to you guys very soon, because this back area over here, currently a parts room, but there's going to be something that rhymes with Rhino going back there, and we're not just going to be sticking to Japanese and you know, foreign cars. That is where we're going to be putting some of those Dodge direct connection parts on the Hellcat we are planning to buy for 2023, and you guys are going to be seeing if direct connection is legit or if direct connection is a no-go, and you're better off, you know, just voiding your warranty off rip and going like, you know, all the E85 and tuned goodness. Now, this front area, quite the area. He's got his midnight purple R35 chilling here right now, so we can look at it all day when he's doing desk work. We've got you know, 1320 video on the TV right now, which I'm going to go ahead and turn down so that we do not go ahead and get that copyright violation. I don't really know how to turn it down, so we're just going to turn it off. We've got our merch over here. You guys know we crush merch on the channel. So if you're interested in working with us, or getting some sort of build, or maybe buying an R32 or R33 GTR, or maybe a Subaru, this is the place to go. I'll link his channel down in the description, and I'll go ahead and put some more contact info down there. He's gonna have a website up soon so that you guys can order parts and kind of just get all the expertise he's, you know, learned over the last 2 decades of owning Subaru shops and working on other cars, obviously, but I'll put that down there. But I wanted to introduce you guys to the shop, because at some point you guys are gonna be like, where the heck are you guys doing all this work and all these reviews, etc., and this is where we're at. And if you guys are, you know, trying to scope this place out, there's exactly 69 security cameras on the property, so don't get any ideas. All right, we'll go back into the back area, check out some other stuff. If you guys are wondering what's up with the WRX, well, we are going to be installing an intercooler, the top mount intercooler from Extreme Turbo Systems ETS, directly after this, and we're also going to be doing the catback exhaust, which is the extreme, no resonator, no muffler, no nothing. Going to be obnoxiously loud, but it's going to be funny. The 209 is kind of in limbo right now. We're just kind of waiting until the shop move ends, and you know, we'll start getting the Haltech ordered for it, start getting some other stuff ordered for it. I also want to try throwing these these Titan 7 wheels onto here to see what the fitment is like, just to check it out and see, you know, start test fitting some wheel options, some tire options. So far, the intake, which you guys have probably seen in some other videos, has been pretty cool. Definitely makes the car sound way better. I'm a little bit worried that the exhaust is gonna like make it so that we cannot really hear the intake as much, but we will see. Other than that, car's been good. Super dirty, been daily in it, so it's got almost 2,000 miles on it now. We owe you guys the oil change video as well. If you guys are 2022 WRX owners and you guys have things that you don't like about the car, put it down in the comments below, because we're starting to look into researching and developing products that you guys point out. Like I'm thinking about like the center armrest, things like that. Just because like that center armrest is so hard, so annoying. I would much rather have more. I mean, the center armrest in here is not that great, but just like any normal center armrest that has a little bit of padding to it and doesn't make your elbow feel like absolute crap. So here's a view of the 2 other cars back here. AC unit's a little loud. This Evo is pretty nice. Whoop. MR Edition Evo. Another old school GTR. Did not realize it was a V-spec. That is pretty fun. Looks like it has a side skirt on it, but I don't know if that entirely matches the whole. I'm guessing it's missing the front bumper for that body kit, but we'll go ahead and let that slide. Pretty sweet car though. But that's pretty much it for the shop update, guys. You know, I'll put Tommy's info in the pinned comment and the description below. If you guys want to order something like, you know, the ETS intake, an exhaust, anything Subaru related, he can get that for you. Anything GTR related, he can certainly get that for you. Wheels, tires, he can do that as well. So go ahead and make sure you guys follow his channel. He just did his shop intro video as well. I just wanted to kind of keep you guys tuned in on the day-to-day operations of Wide Body Nation and kind of where and who works on my cars, because obviously I'm too stupid to work on my own cars most of the time, right? That's, you guys always know that. You're always down in the comments, you know, built not bought, you know, work on it. It's almost like I'm in the army or something and I actually have a different job other than working at a shop. So, you know, that is what it is. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. Definitely looking forward to working here with my hands more often and kind of learning the ropes, doing more than just like the bolt-ons, more than just like, you know, the superficial stuff, and actually starting to dig into these cars and learning more. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys for the next video.